To track expenses in Bill4Time, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Expenses tab. This section allows you to record and manage all your business expenses. Click on the New Expense button to create a new entry. Enter the date of the expense. Select the category and add a description. You can also attach a receipt to the expense by clicking on the Attach Receipt button. This helps to keep all your expense records organized and easily accessible. Next, enter the amount of the expense and select the payment method. You can choose from a list of predefined payment methods or add a new one. If the expense is billable to a client, make sure to check the billable box. This will allow you to easily track and bill expenses to your clients. Assign the expense to a project or client by selecting from the drop-down menus. This helps to categorize your expenses and generate accurate reports. You can also add notes to the expense if needed. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Save button to record the expense. You can view all your expenses in the Expenses tab, where you can filter and sort them by date, category, and client. To generate reports, navigate to the Reports tab and select the Expenses report. This will give you a detailed breakdown of your expenses, including the total amount, category, and client. You can use this report to track your expenses, identify areas for cost savings, and make informed business decisions. Best practices for tracking expenses in Bill4Time include regularly recording and updating your expenses, categorizing them accurately, and attaching receipts for easy reference. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently track and manage your expenses in Bill4Time, and make the most of its features to streamline your business operations.